Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? This is John, your Cash Boss Man, coming at you again. Hey, I'm so happy that you're joining me and I'm with you. Now you may hear a lot of noise in the background. And so what happened is I'm getting some work done on my place, and man, they are knocking stuff down and hammering and sawing and throwing stuff away and just all this craziness. But anyway, I'm just glad you're here. I've been away from the videos and marketing for a minute because I've been doing a lot of offline things as far as with other companies, as far as brick and mortar, helping building websites and all that good stuff. And I said it's time to get back in the game again. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a program that I've been involved with now for a minute, but I haven't really didn't do, if I got qualified, I actually didn't do anything with it yet. The reason why is that there were some things I wanted to look at, make sure that uh, the company was able to do, and the owner actually did what I thought. Basically, I'm very pleased with what he did. And to make a long story short, now as you see, I'm not no professional video maker. I make mistakes, so take my mistakes with all grace, okay? And I hope that encourages some of you guys that are scared to get in front of a camera, because I'm like this here. If people know who you are, they're not going to buy from the business. They're going to buy from you. And one thing I've learned all these years in marketing, I made more money when people got to know who I was than just trying to get them to go to a capture page, fill out their information, and hopefully they'll spend money with me. But so anyway, enough about that. I'm here to talk about this company that I'm really loving. It's called Exitus Elite. Now I know you got about 1,000 videos out here already from other people, and everybody's saying, hey, join me, join me, join me, join me, join me. Well, I want you to join me, and if you don't join me, guess what? My life still goes on. Okay, and I know that's kind of a crazy thing to say. Uh, I'm not money hungry, but what I really want to do is my goal is to help people. I love helping people. As a matter of fact, and it's in this last year during this COVID-19, um, I spent a lot of time offline. Like I said, I was actually helping people as far as getting grocery, helping them as far as paying their rent, different things, finding outlets or connect them to the right thing. So, they won't be behind the eight ball, because this is what it's all about. It's all about being that servant for somebody else. I believe the saying that if you help enough people get what they want, you'll eventually get what you want. So, uh, but anyway, back to Exodus. Exodus is an awesome program. It's the kind of program that anybody can start. You can start with $100. The levels are 100, 250, 500, 1,000. Now, what's crazy about that is this. I've been in a bunch of high ticket programs. And a matter of fact, I've been in one where the top level is at $50,000. Now, I know some of you guys say $50,000. Man, are you crazy? But you'll be surprised that how many people would spend that kind of money to get into a program. Some people that got a lot of money need tax write-offs, but no matter what the purpose is, there is there. So, but I've been in that program, and me and my partner, she's passed, Leanne, Coach Leanne. These money making like 25,000 people sending you 12,000, 35, 3,500, 6,500. And be honest with you, it was great. Don't get me wrong, it was great. But I realized that a lot of people don't have that kind of pockets, and I wanted to find something that most people could afford. Well, everybody could afford, because here's the thing. If you go to get a brick and mortar business, you're going to spend a whole lot of money with that brick and mortar business, doing, if you go franchising, then joining a online business, and that's just the fact. Uh, then the money you can make it quick. You can make it quicker. Matter of fact, when I joined Exodus, it was so crazy. I did a little bit of marketing, and I remember it was a Saturday. This young lady called me from Carolina, and she said, "Where do you want me to send $1,000 to?" And I got qualified just like that. Why? Because Exodus is a program that has something for everybody. First of all, the levels, like I say, 100, 250, 500, 1,000. majority of the people can afford that. Okay, think about this. You spend more money. More people spend more money on fast food that you're gonna eat, and it's gonna come out. You ain't gonna see no monetary value from it. Whether you could join Exitus, spend a couple of dollars on solo ads, do video mark, whatever, and got the ability to make get multiple payments. So that's why I joined Exitus. The other reason I joined Exitus Elite is because I got tired of the same old PRL products in a lot of these programs. I'm not gonna name them, but I can name a lot of them. Those ones out there, you know what I'm talking about. They talk about well, basically they got these ebooks in the back office that's been written back like in 1980, and that's what they're saying. That's why their system is so valuable, and that's why you should spend $85,000 to join. But in reality, those ebooks only cost them maybe like about $25 to get the rights to get them to put them in their back office. Okay, let's get real. Okay, so the products in Exitus is off the chain. As a matter of fact, I've gone back there and I actually started listing some of the training, and I thought, it's really cool. Because you get to see real people telling their real stories. You get to see real things that you can use today to market, and it's not that same old PRL crap that you see in a lot of these other companies just to get you to join. Okay. Also too, if you go look at the website, this is something that I can't say that for everybody. The owner, Paul Stevenson, he's actually did a great job. Matter of fact, we have one of the most unique, beautiful websites that's out there. Now, you say that's not important. Yeah, it's not important. But let me ask you something. When you meet someone, the first thing when you go to meet them, what's the first thing you do? You look at how they look. Let's get real. When you go buy a car, you go say, man, that's a nice looking car. You really don't even know what kind of gas. You don't know what kind of engine it has in it. Yes, that's a nice looking car. So I believe that if you have a nice looking website, it's going to be inviting for those people, and you're going to look more professional than just sending them to a something that everybody else got that looked like that it was made with a first grader made it. Okay. So the website is just beautiful. The other thing that is awesome too is, as I'm talking about it, is the support. Now we got a Facebook group, and one thing I like about our Facebook group, you see a lot of people in there that is bringing people in. I mean, we in our Facebook group every day, you have not just one person, you have multiple people bringing people in. And to say you ask a question, nobody will tell you that's a dumb question. They attempt to get your question answered. So I don't want to make this video too long, but I want you to connect with me, because what I want to do with you, my goal is to help you get out of the place you're in, help you come up with a plan, a marketing plan that you can afford, that where you could change your financial situation. Listen, it is this is the 11th. I'm making this video, and listen, guys, we have 6 more weeks before the end of the year. Now, don't wait for the end of the year or January to start something. Start it now. Because guess what? You start it now. You get yourself set up. You can even make some money before now and Christmas. Okay? So again, this is John, your Cash Boss Man, coming at you. And I'm going to be making some more videos. Love you guys.